Hello everyone, thank you for joining me once again today at Catch Them Young, a career pathfinder that introduces all the vocational training, the Ausbildung that is being done in Germany. Are you a professional or a non-professional? You don't know what to do? Then this is a very good channel for you. If you have subscribed, thank you. If you haven't, please do. Kindly share this video with friends and families. It can help someone who doesn't understand the language yet. We're still on plant engineering. This is mechanical engineering video career parts 1 to 4. In this area of specialization, the first area of specialization, that is Berufe in the machine on an Anlagebau. This is the 5th video. I encourage you to watch it to the end. And in this video, I'll be discussing the 5th career path, that is Fachkraft Metal Technique, that is specialization in metal technology. The first area of specialization in the 5th career path is the FACHRICHTUng Konstruktionstechnik, that is specialization in construction technology. The duration for this is 2 years and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It's a recognized training. What do? They manufacture individual parts of metal sheets, pipes, in order to assemble and attach all kinds of custom-made constructions. So if you are interested in metal custom-made constructions, then this is a career you want to look into. In order to produce a functional group of construction by cutting, bending, and drilling to size, they determine suitable workpieces and select tools and machines. Then they prepare them, form them, process them, and pre-finish, and they also coat metallic structures. Where do they find employment? They find employment in mechanical, in metal, or vehicle construction companies in construction industry. Do you need a certificate? Yes, you do. Your Abschlussabschluss or Realschulabschluss, your Hochschulreife, or if you don't have a certificate, the chances are also slim. If you need further information on how to proceed and what to do, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. The second area of specialization in the 5th career path is FACHRICHTUng Technik. That's a specialization in assembly technology. The duration is 2 years as well. It's also an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It's a recognized training. What do? They assemble cables and electrical and electronic elements. They use circuits and functional diagrams, and the machine parts are being brought together. They assemble the components in the correct position and function and pay attention to the sequence of parts. They are into attention when it comes to aligning or assembling parts together, when you fasten them and secure them. Where do they find employment? They find employment in metal or electrical industries, in mechanical and plant or vehicle construction construction companies. Do you need a certificate? If you don't have a certificate, you can get into this vocational training. At least 10% is being admitted, but you need your Hauptschulabschluss, your Realschulabschluss, your Hochschulreife, and if you have other certificates that is in equivalence with this, you can get into this vocational training as well. And don't forget, it's 2 years. It's a recognized training as well. So if you need further information on how to proceed, feel free to contact us. We are here for you. The third area of specialization is the FACHRICHTUng Umform und Drahttechnik. That's a specialization in forming and wire technology. The duration is 2 years, and it's also an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It's a recognized training. What do? They produce metal products in the field of forming and refining wires, or forming or separating metal products. First, they plan the steps, determine the speed and the formation, they set up wires, drawing, cutting, and forming machines, and build the required forming tools. They also carry out care and maintenance work on the production facilities. They also treat the surface of wires and check the quality of the finished products and prepare it for packaging. Where do they find employment? They find employment in metal forming companies that are into wire construction, wire manufacture. manufacturing. Do you need the certificates? You need your up shoe, side shoes, rear shoe, lap shoes, your whole shoe rifle, or if you don't have a certificate, your chances of getting to it is not too difficult. If you have equivalent certificates, that is your secondary school leaving diploma, your university qualification as well, then or you have a better chance of getting into it. And if you have higher qualifications as well, that doesn't stop you from going into it. So if you want to know how wire is being produced, wires, metal wires, then this is a career you want to look into. It's 2 years and it's also recognized training. If you need further information, feel free to contact us. Don't forget, don't give up on your careers, because only you can stop you.